Matrix is parked outside for a reason. I am in the garage. Well, side note, last night's drive home. Oh shoot. Oh snap. I think I gotta turn around. I think I have to turn around. I don't think I can make it through. Oh shit, now I should get closed off, homie. Oh shit. Holy shit. Holy cow. Yeah, it was a little crazy. I was able to make it through. I think I was the last person to make it through. Anyways, I do have the valances here. I just got done sanding them down. I used 800 grit, was pretty good. Didn't really, wasn't too coarse. Able to, get it ready, prepped to prime it. I wiped it down with some isopropyl alcohol. Take any residue, dust, or whatever, from sanding it, and just the oils or whatever. So now I'm getting ready to primer it. Then I'm gonna go with this Rust-Oleum. It's kind of the darker one, since it is going to be like a darker charcoal color to gray the car. So this is Phantom Gray Pearl is the color, so that's what we're gonna be doing. So hopefully one can should do it. I think I should be good. If not, I believe AutoZone stocks some more. I got that one off of Amazon. So I'll hit it with two light coats of primer, and then however many coats I can out of that Phantom Gray Pearl OEM, and then probably like 2 coats of clear. Yeah, looking pretty good. Primer to dry. Jacked it up. Trying to source the oil leak, so I'm gonna clean all this gunk off before I forget. Yeah, I'm just gonna throw a bunch of degreaser under there and kind of pressure wash all this off, and kind of keep an eye over the next couple of days and see where the fresh oil is coming from. It's pretty nasty down here. Guys, final coat has been put on. I actually only got 2 good coats out of that small can. I had to run to AutoZone. Luckily they did have one in stock. It's been there a while, so I guess they don't really carry it unless it's a special order part. And so I ran over there like 15 minutes. I was 15 minutes over there and back in 15 minutes, and able to do I did like 2 lighter coats after that. It is still wet, so it might look kind of blotchy on camera, but it's actually really good. Still wet. I just did the last coat right now. Let's see. Look at that. That looks great. So I'll let that dry. I think it says 4 hours. Let's see. So what's up, guys? There you go. So welcome back to another episode of what the hell am I doing in my car? Update on the valances. I'm waiting for the rubber molding. It goes on the corner valances, the corner lips, and so that way it fills the gap. I ordered them and they sent me one when there was supposed to be two. They didn't specify one or the other. They actually had a picture of both of them and listed both items as reference number 16. So anyways, kind of pissed me off. So I haven't even heard back from them on eBay. It was actually a Toyota dealership. But anyways, I couldn't wait for them to message me back or resend it or whatever the mistake was. So I went to my local dealer, ordered one yesterday, waiting for that to come in. Hopefully it should come in today. Hopefully I could have it this weekend. But in the meantime, I am doing some stuff. Told you about this roof, kind of annoys me. So I'm gonna plasti dip this sucker and see if it comes out better. So move on to the next scene. Hopefully I'll have this all taped up real quick. Alright guys, I got it all taped up, or masked up and taped up. I had a little bit of fading on here too, but I'm gonna see how it goes, just leaving that top spoiler lip or whatever that is. So alright, let's get to painting. I'll do a clip after I do the first coat. Alright, I already did about a can and a half. It's about two good coats. And I mean, it's still wet. I just sprayed it again right now, but kind of getting like these little kind of little, I don't know, just like extra residue, like little pieces that are kind of just, I don't know how to explain it, but you can see it. But after it dries for a few minutes, if I kind of rub it, they kind of come off. And so it doesn't take the plastic up with it. Just kind of just rub them off. So I'm not sure why that is. I used plastic before and I never had that kind of issue. So I'm just gonna keep applying coats. I'm not gonna rub all that off between coats because it's like a lot. Every coat it's like adding more. So I'm just gonna continue to add coat after coat because the more the better. If I ever want to take it off, which is not a permanent thing, so I will, it's easier to peel off or, you know, pressure wash off. The thinner you do it, the more of a hassle it is getting off. But even with the pressure washer, it's just more work, but it's not as hard with the pressure washer. If you're doing this by hand, I would recommend that you do a ton of coats, like at least 5 coats, good coats. Thicker the better. It comes up, you know, together as a piece rather than shredding. But it's kind of hard to see. I'm in the garage, but I'll come back after a couple more coats and do another update in a few seconds. And then after that, I'll do like the finished product, you know, after it's dried up a few hours curing, and then I'll put it outside the garage so we can see what it looks like in all its glory or fail or whatever. We'll see. I think I'm done putting all the coats on already. Still have that little stuff going on. Not sure what the deal is with that. Let's see. See, it comes off. Some of it you gotta kind of really, it's like you gotta kind of like, you gotta rub it the right way. So I'm just gonna have to work at that to get all that little crap off, but it's still curing, so You know, it kind of looks like shadowing. Some areas look like where it was really rough on top. I probably should have sanded it. I didn't think it was gonna matter because I know I've used plastidipped before, and once it cures it kind of smooths out, but I guess it's just so rough that, you know, it's supposed to come out like this. Like this, nice and smooth, but you know, I don't know. I mean, it actually doesn't look horrible once you get up close. Like in the lighting, it kind of looks real sketch. So I don't know, we'll have to see. I'll give it some time. It takes, I think, 4 hours to fully cure, and then I'll pull it out, unwrap it, and see what's up. I do have some other stuff going on at the moment. I might be for the next video. I don't know if I'll include it in this one. I'm waiting for a part to come in. I ordered yesterday from the dealer, so I got the kit going on finally. Got the center on. So I ordered these on eBay through a Toyota dealer. These rubber moldings right here that fill in the gap. They only sent me one. Didn't specify one or the other. Said for both of them. So I'm kind of upset, so I went to a different dealer. Like I said, hopefully it comes in today. I can put it on, have it on, start driving with it on. These are the clips that go on it. Little retainer clips. There you go. And then once it goes on the car, this little retainer bolt goes through there too, so that'll hold it more secure, so that's cool. Alright, well, a few seconds for you, but a few hours for me. We'll check on it right now. Hell yeah. New kit's looking awesome on there. Came out good. The roof, it's alright. I think it was a little bit better than it was, but it's still drying. Still needs to cure. Yeah, it's still a little dry. Needs about another hour or two. But I don't know. We'll see how I feel about that. Sweet. It's next day. I actually had to wet sand it a little bit because it was pretty rough. Didn't even know you can wet sand plastidipped until kind of just looked it up because I was curious, because I had really rough spots. But yeah, there's like areas, it's not perfect, but let's see. It's like you see like this discoloration or shadowing or something from the light when it hits at a certain angle. Like right here, it's not too bad. So anyways, better than it was. The back, I did not do. I'm gonna probably try to do that with some OEM duplicate color. I'm thinking I'll actually sand it, and then I'm gonna take a chance and see how that comes out. But that body kit's looking really good. There's the rubber moldings right there. So what do you guys think? Yay, nay? As long as it's better, I feel it's slightly better, and so I'm happy with that. At least I don't have that ugly oxidation and discoloration on top. Now I just got different shades of black. So I guess till the next time, guys. Bye bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Like if you like these videos, comment, let me know what's up. Let me know what you think, what I could do better. If you like the videos, whatever, I don't know, interact with me.